If you're thinking about trying Resilience oil of oregano, it offers a convenient way to add oregano extract and black seed oil to your daily routine. The soft gels are easy to swallow, making them a great alternative to liquid oregano oil, which many people find too strong. The formula contains carvacrol from oregano and black seed oil, two ingredients that have shown promising results in studies related to overall wellness, immune support, and inflammation. While more human research is still needed to confirm all of the advertised benefits, the ingredients themselves have gained attention for their potential health supporting properties. Overall, Resilience is a convenient supplement with a well designed formula. As with any supplement, it's a good idea to read the label, follow the recommended dosage, and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. If you're looking for an easy way to incorporate oregano and black seed oil into your routine, this product is definitely worth considering.